Hi, my name is Anthony Amatucci, and I'm an undergrad studying political science and economics, and my research project is about the Massachusetts textile disposal ban at the intersection of fast fashion and sustainability. So I first wanted to talk a little bit about where this project came to be. In November 2022, Massachusetts banned the disposal of textiles. Since then, residents can't throw away clothes, shoes, mattresses, and curtains, but there's no way of feasibly enforcing this, of course, which essentially formed the basis of our project here. We not only want to educate people on the disposal ban, but also find a way to promote the policy and galvanize support for it. So while the other side of this project is going to be coordinating with organizations both on and off campus to help with these goals, we thought on my side of the project it would be effective to promote a survey through the narrative policy framework with the use of citizenship norms. Now it's a mouthful, but the NPF is essentially a way to talk about the benefits of a policy with a plot that involves certain villains, victims, and heroes. More on the citizenship side with the norms later. So with all this in mind, we then reach the following research question to ask ourselves whether this could be an effective means of promoting textile recycling. So here I just wanted to provide a basic side-to-side comparison of the two main citizenship norms, that being duty-based and engaged citizenship. Duty-based citizens are very loyal to government and usually prefer to do nothing beyond voting, paying their taxes, and serving on juries when it comes to civic participation. This is a more traditional view of citizenship that tends to favor older and less educated people. Meanwhile, engaged citizens, on the other hand, seek to challenge the government because they expect more out of them. They don't think that security and defense are enough, and it shows in their desire to use petitions and political boycotts. They also tend to be younger and more educated. So we actually plan to deploy two surveys, one for students, one for faculty, or one for students and faculty on campus, and one for the Northeast Regional Recycling Coalition, also known as NERC. Currently, we're still waiting on NERC because they have a newsletter that they're going to put out through which we're going to post the survey. But we have some pretty interesting results from the on-campus survey nonetheless, all of which have been approved by the IRB since early January. So in our initial findings, we find that the average citizenship score is around 0. This is actually pretty interesting considering it's a shift from when Liebecker did this work in 2013. And we also saw that the most popular means of promoting the textile ban at large were around certain environmental cases for the policy, which seemed to be pretty interesting. So based on our initial analysis of everything, it seems that there is a connection that can be derived between citizenship norms and the promotion of textile recycling within the NPF. Obviously, we're going to need to do much more work with refining these findings, but it's undoubtedly hopeful to see that the policy can be disseminated to the public without invoking partisan tendencies. This could be especially helpful for some of the organizations we've been working with who are looking to see more people recycle their textiles. It'll also be interesting for future research to see if these mechanisms can apply to other areas of recycling policy or the circular economy at large with equal effectiveness. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching.